Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and welcome to our journey. And our journey for today is going to the fish market here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The time now is only 6 o'clock in the morning, but already 32 degrees because it's starting the extreme weather of summer here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So join us in our journey, and we go also to the super highway, and we will see the beauty of this place, the first day of the Hajj 2021. And we will try to find out if there is many people roaming around or just a normal holiday. But this area is very beautiful because there is a reconstruction and also development for the tourists. So thank you once again for watching and joining our video for today, and enjoy. The weather is like a little bit gloomy, but also this kind of sandstorm.
Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you.
We will travel now slow and steady because the brake of our friend Biking MTB is broken. So he cannot run fast. He don't have a brake in the rear side.
Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels.
The weather is slightly gloomy, but you cannot feel the cold because the humidity is very high, and it's about 33 degrees already since the morning time. So we will continue from there, and we will cross this main highway.
Don't know what's worse, the pain or the hesitation. It's hard to make it through.
This Medina Road, and we will cross this one and continuing to travel west side in the high street.
Fading spark, isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no way.
Actually, it's the first time we are biking in this kind of weather, and it's a little bit exhausting because the air is heavy and difficult to breathe. But we will see later on. We will just only chill riding this day.
The better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better.
You can help improve this video by liking, and also you can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated for the new video coming.
Pouring water over your fading spark. We keep riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low.
This place is Baghdadiya Al Garabia, near the Balad area. Later on we will turn right to forward to east and going to our destination for this day.
The better, oh, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah, the better.
jogging dati? This is Red Sea side, and we are hoping that this area is, we found many people, but today is very good because there is no lot of people here, and we will roam and stroll this area. This looks like stagnant water, but you can catch many fish from here. Sometimes also there is many people fishing, especially in our front area. So at the back is the very beautiful mosque here in near the fish market. I don't know what is the name of this place here, and we will take a photo later on or footage in the bridge, and that is the, I think, the Navy and the port here in Jeddah. That's an awesome view, and we found also one cruise ship. That is the first time tourist offering here in Saudi Arabia. This Red Sea is rich in fish, and many people we saw here, they are fishing.
We've been here too long, I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign, know that in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign.
We will continue to fish market, and we will see there the old boats. It is the historical boat, because the Jeddah is well known for fishing village here in the kingdom.
Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out there.
So this is the fish market here in Jeddah, and we will buy some fish for our food for today.
More than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now.
We finished buying our fish for food, and we will continue, and we will see the old boats later. This is the historical boat or fishing boat here, the used previously. are going home, and thank you for watching this video. You can help improve this video by liking, and also you can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated for the new video coming. This is Prexyll from Prexyll saying, leave your stress behind the road.